सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा YouTube चैनल जीरसूल 786।
Let me make it very clear to you, sir. The foreign policy of Pakistan will be made here. The Foreign Office. Now, obviously, this is a practice all over the world, that you seek input. And you seek input from national security institutions. And that input is valuable because there is a thing called institutional memory. And we have to take advantage of that institutional memory. And we should not be shy of that. And I will not be shy of that. I will engage with them. I will engage with them for the betterment of my country. Pakistan first is my policy, as I said. When policies are formulated in the US, don't you take an input from CIA? Don't you seek input from Pentagon? Obviously. I have also dealt with the strategic review that was undertaken by the Obama administration. I'm aware of the bilaterals, the trilaterals, and the different engagements that took place. And I know how the system works. We will work for Pakistan. And we all are.